Creating library revision intervals. When a template or a section library item is created, revision intervals can be set to remind users to check the library section content is up to date. To add a new revision interval, click the Revision submenu under the Administration main menu. Click the Add button, enter a revision name, interval days, and whether to make it default or not. If the revision interval is set as default, it will be applied to every section created in a new template, or in a new library section. After the template has been created, we can expand the section settings, then section properties and see that the default interval has been set. Even though it has been set by default, it can be changed to any other review interval in the system. When the revision interval has passed, the section properties will show a new button. When that is clicked, the section will be marked as reviewed until the next review time. As well as within the template, the section library will also highlight any sections in the tree that need marking as reviewed. This is done from the section properties. Finally, clicking the Scheduled Reviews radio button will list all of the sections that need to be confirmed as reviewed. Clicking the Review All button will mark all the sections as reviewed. When we go back to the section library tree, all of the sections have now changed from being highlighted red, back to black until the next review interval.